The dashboard was developed by DataNext as part of the EDIAQI project to raise awareness of indoor air quality in schools and workplaces in pilot buildings involved in Ferrara, Italy. The goal is to raise awareness among users of the importance of adopting proactive behaviors to maintain healthy environments, promoting concrete actions such as regular ventilation of spaces and constant monitoring of environmental parameters. Immediately after the login screen, we find the basic dashboard view. First, we can select one of the buildings containing the monitoring units. Below, we find all the monitoring units within the selected building in the form of buttons. To the left of each button, we find a dot. If it is gray, it means that the monitoring unit is not currently sending data. If it is colored, it provides information on the current air quality of that monitoring unit. Below, we find the name of the monitoring unit, the date and time of the last observation, and a general indicator of the air quality status. The indicator is calculated based on the pollutant with the worst value at the moment. In the example shown, the worst pollutant is TVOC, that is total volatile organic compounds. To the right of the overall indicator, we find a statement indicating the air quality status and possible improvements. To the right, we find an analysis of each individual pollutant, including the name of the pollutant, the last measured value, and the unit of measurement. At the top right, we find the button to switch to the advanced view. First, we can select a time range for our graphs between 24 hours, 7 days, and a custom time range. The first graph is the overall graph, which shows all the pollutants in a scaled range from 0 to 100. By clicking the Show Heat Map button, you can also see a graphical representation of the data, where the individual values are represented by the colors of the various air quality levels. By scrolling down, you can view graphs for each individual pollutant. By pressing the Info button, you can read information about each pollutant and the thresholds used. The Ferrara dashboard only considers indoor environments without the presence of vulnerable individuals, for example, high schools, offices, commercial businesses, etc. Clicking the Map button in the top right will open the map containing all sensor groups. Selecting one group on the map will open all the indoor air quality monitoring stations present in that group. Simply select one of the stations to view its information, such as the name of the station, its ID, the building where it is located, and the quality of the current area. As before, dots appear. If the dot is gray, the station is offline. If it is colored, it provides information on the quality of the current area. By zooming in, we can see the exact location of each control unit within the building. Clicking on one will reveal a drop-down menu containing the heat map, which can be viewed in the advanced view mode, and the button to view the details of the monitored indoor environment. Selecting it allows you to view information on the room where the control unit is located. Clicking the Advanced View button instead switches to the advanced view for the individual control unit selected on the map. Selecting the Map button again returns to the previous view. Finally, clicking the Return to Dashboard button returns to the home page. Please remember that this dashboard is a prototype, developed by DataNext to test, with users of the Ferrara pilot buildings, a simple way to visualize complex data such as indoor air quality measured during the EDIAQI project.